Welcome back to Classics Are Better. My name's Travis. Today we're going to swap out the tailgate on my 1960 C10. Alright, so the plan today is to take this nice tailgate I have. It's brand new. Just kind of painted it to match the old patina look or whatnot. I'm going to take it off and save it for my 66 short wheelbase truck. And then I'm going to take the tailgate that came with my 66. It's okay, but it's just beat up. Use it on this truck because I'm going to sell this 60 pretty much soon as I can show you guys a couple more projects to get it ready to go. Anyway, I'll show you how I do it. Right here is the old tailgate that actually came on my 60. As you can see, it's quite holy, and I just decided to make it some wall art. So good news, removing the tailgate on one of these old C10s is extremely easy. There's just a 5/8 bolt on the bottom on each side. It goes through the side of the bed into a little trunnion inside the actual tailgate itself, and then your chain's holding it at the top. So this is a trunnion. This is what the bolt screws into inside of the tailgate itself. You're going to want to find this little channel and turn it if you need to till you come upon it, but you're going to use a screwdriver or something similar to put in there to hold this still while you're breaking the bolt loose. Sometimes time, rust, weather will kind of just weld these together. At that point, you might not be able to get this loose. There's a little access hole in the bottom of the tailgate, or sometimes you can get in through the side, but if you can't get this thing to stop spinning, you're never going to get that bolt out, so you'll just have to cut it or torch it or something like that. Luckily, the trunnions in the tailgate that's on the truck right now are in there extremely snug. It still works, but I don't need to use a screwdriver to break the bolts loose. I already kind of started getting them going for us. So anyway, when you hear me say trunnion, this is what I'm talking about on the inside of the tailgate. I like to take the bolts out, then the chains. That way, when you get both bolts out, it doesn't just fall out on you. You can kind of control what you're doing with it. So anyway, just take your 5/8 socket wrench. If you use an impact gun, make sure you don't cross thread it, but just unscrew it. Same thing for both sides. That easy. Once you have the bolt out, I've already done the other side. Take off your chains and persuade it right off. We're going to try and take this tailgate off and put it here on my 60. This one's a little bit rustier. I really haven't done anything since I got it besides stick it against the wall. So hopefully these bolts come out. If not, we're going to have to get a little creative. Oh, come on. Well, round one goes to the truck. Just broke the tip of my screwdriver off. Well, that sucks. It's spring force. Wear eye protection. Doesn't matter if you look stupid, your eyes don't grow back. So now also, I would not remove my tailgate in this configuration with the bed up like this if I didn't have this base. If all you have is your tailgate and you don't have this base, your whole thing is just going to collapse if you take out, one part of your square here. So if you don't have a something bolted in between, weld something up, put a piece of wood if you have it long ways, but support your square or it's just going to collapse. Oh yeah. And she's loose. And dropping filth everywhere. Oh yeah, guys. Take a look at the wildlife. All right, now that we got the old tailgate off and cleaned up a little bit, it's time to put it on the truck here. Forgive me if I look a little flushed. It's 93 in here and it's like 11 at night. So welcome to Texas in the summertime. Okay, so almost done. Last step is to get you a small screwdriver. Stick it up through the access hole in the bottom of the tailgate. Try and find that ridge in the trunnion that I showed you earlier in the video. Once you get that, hold it tight and then just crank in with your wrench. Alright, so just get the other 5/8 bolt in, hook up your chains, and you're done. You've just switched the tailgate in your CHEVY C10. So thank you guys for watching another Classics Are Better. Hope to have some more content for you guys soon. Have a good one.